Have you ever felt like your body is trying to tell you something even when it's silent? I did. Mild aches, constant fatigue, a feeling that my energy was scattered. And that's how I started my journey with TeslaCare-X. And honestly, it changed everything. For weeks, I would wake up tired even though I'd slept well. I decided to look for something that combined the natural and the scientific. That's when I discovered TeslaCare-X, which combines terahertz frequency, optical quartz, and quantum energy. 3 vibrational forces that promise to activate our cells, restore balance, and promote real well-being without chemicals or invasiveness. At first, I was skeptical, but it made sense. Terahertz vibrates at the frequency of healthy cells. Optical quartz amplifies energy emission. Quantum energy penetrates deeply and renews. I started with 15 minutes a day, first energizing the water, and believe me, it really changes. Then applying the device to my back and shoulders. In a few days, my body felt lighter, my mind clearer, and I could sleep. Restorative. My physical disposition has skyrocketed. Even my husband noticed, "You look younger." But that's not all. What won me over was its practicality. It's portable, quiet, easy to use, and doesn't require maintenance or expensive refills. A unique investment for those who value health in an intelligent way. If you're looking for a way to take care of your energy, relieve discomfort, and regain control of your health, TeslaCare-X could be your next great ally. Visit the official website, link in the video description.